Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm going to do the maintenance on this guy to 2021 Jeep Wranglers Rubicon between electric and gas, the hybrid. So you do an oil change, oil filter. So they got a mobile one. Make sure they say in here 530. So direct on one. So they run between electric and the gas. So 240 liter. So let me start it. Twice on the engine without running. Okay, because when you reset oil line in here on the electric mode, they don't let you do it. So what you're going to do, the first up and down button right here to fire until see the oil line, press and hold to reset oil line. So press and hold it. So if it's okay to hold it. Okay, now to go to 100% oil line already. So yep. And also when you start it, so you have to put first the e-safe twice, and they reset the oil. See, you hear on the back. So now I'm run with the engine again right now. Anyway, if you guys like it, give me thumb up, subscribe below. I am Fishhead. Thanks for watching.